This compact Mini ITX enclosure is purpose-built for the DeskPi Super 6C board, so the mounting points and cutouts line up cleanly without modification. 3 included high-speed fans move a surprising amount of air for the size, keeping a fully populated compute module cluster noticeably cooler under sustained load. The rigid outer frame combined with the acrylic top plate gives the system solid physical protection while still letting you see status indicators and board activity at a glance. Built-in support for M.2 serial ATA solid-state drives, M.2 non-volatile memory express solid-state drives, and memory cards makes it easy to add fast local storage to a cluster setup. The kit ships with matched heat sinks for compute modules and even a screwdriver, which makes the initial assembly straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic hardware work. Overall build quality, thoughtful airflow design, and cluster-friendly layout make this case a strong choice for hobbyists and developers running Raspberry Pi compute module stacks on the DeskPi Super 6C platform.